Apple English Network presents Clifford, the Happy Dogs. T-Bone and Cleo like to play. They are small. They play with Clifford, who is big. This is okay with Clifford. He likes to play with them. It is okay with him that they are small. They want to play a game. But what game will they play? We can play ball, said Clifford. They find a ball that is flat. That flat ball is not good to play with. Cleo fits in the box. T-Bone fits in the box. But Clifford is too big. The box is not good for him. We want a game we all can play, said Cleo. What will we do? Said Clifford. I know, said T-Bone. Come with me. Clifford runs. Cleo runs after Clifford. T-Bone runs after Cleo. They like to run. It is a fun game. Now they are happy. The end. Clifford, the Happy Dogs.